The Target Trend Indicator by BigBeluga is a trend-following tool designed to assist traders in capturing directional moves while managing entry, stop-loss, and profit targets visually on the chart. Utilizing Adaptive Simple Moving Average or SMA bands as its core trend detection method, this indicator dynamically identifies shifts in trend direction and provides structured exit points through customizable target levels. Upon detecting a trend change, the indicator marks the chart with an up or down triangle to signal entry direction. It then plots 3 customizable target levels for potential exits and calculates a stop-loss level below or above the entry point, depending on the trend direction. As price moves, the indicator adapts, updating these levels accordingly. When price crosses a target level, the label changes to a check mark, confirming that the target has been achieved. Similarly, if the stop-loss level is hit, the label changes to an X, and the line becomes dashed, indicating that the stop-loss has been activated. This feature provides traders with a clear visual trail of whether their targets or stop-loss have been hit, allowing for easier trade tracking and exit strategy management. To enhance the effectiveness of the Target Trend Indicator, traders might consider using it alongside other tools. For instance, the Trend Counter Indicator by BigBeluga helps identify trend conditions and potential reversals by counting the number of bars within a specified period that are above or below an average price level. This can provide additional confirmation for trend strength. Another complementary tool is the Volatility Gaussian Bands Indicator, which analyzes market trends and volatility with high precision. By applying a Gaussian filter to smooth price data and implementing dynamic bands based on market volatility, this indicator provides clear signals for trend direction, strength, and potential reversals. However, it's important to note some limitations. The Target Trend Indicator relies on historical price data and moving averages, which may lag in rapidly changing market conditions. Moreover, while it provides structured entry and exit points, it does not account for fundamental factors or sudden market news, which can significantly impact price movements. Therefore, it's advisable to use this indicator as part of a broader trading strategy, incorporating other analyses and risk management practices. In summary, the Target Trend Indicator offers a streamlined approach to trend trading by integrating entry, target, and stop-loss management into a single visual tool. Its adaptability and clear visual cues can aid traders in making informed decisions, especially when used in conjunction with other analytical tools.